Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes.
Today we are going to learn a miniature painting. We are going to paint it on a MDF board.
So we need a poster, any material, a thin brush, pencil, eraser, scale, some lids and acrylic paints along with water and a rug. So let's start. This is the coaster on which I have done this Fabios gesso. I'll show you how I have done Fabios gesso on this. Take any thick brush and just move your hand in one line, either left to right or right to left, and better to do on the sides also. When this is dried, then start doing the yellow color. I have already done 2 coats and I'm going to do third coat on it. Move your hand as fast as possible so that lines are not visible. This is acrylic paint, so it dries really very fast. And MDF or wood will also absorb lots of paint. Our poster's background is almost dry and we are going to do the outline work with 000 number brush. So first I'm going to make the lady. These are tribal art patterns. So our basic design is ready and now we'll fill the colors. This is a broken brush. I'm using its back side to make the dots.
Our miniature painting is ready.
I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.